صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما صليت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد اللهم بارك على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما باركت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Today we will discuss on the natural blockage, natural problems which are the people's facing, world is facing, what is the reason, what astrology says about them. So let's see on board and try to understand. This is natural phenomenon, and some people's thinking that what is happening, some feels that this is the magical problem, some thinking that others are jealous, but this is natural problems and their effects are people's facing. Natural problem. There are 7 stars in astrology which are Saturn, Jupiter, Mars, Sun, Venus, Mercury, Moon. two other shadow planets are there also. They is called North Node and South Node. These are shadows, shadows. Shadow planets. Any star from these stars will go in their sides. It will be natural bondage, natural blocking, natural problems. So let's try to understand in chart. This is, if we say this is first, its habit is if one if this is in one house, the other is in 7th house. Suppose this is first house, this is second house, this is third, fourth, 5. These are 12 houses. Nowadays, today is 23/10. This is the date today. The north node is here. North node is here. Seventh house is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here. Here is south node. These are creating problems, and other which stars comes from this point, this here, here. It will be in problems. Now what is the north node? North node in Arabic says Ras. North node. And its other meaning is mouth of snake. Other meaning is dragon head. And other meaning is well of water. You see, there is well. Peoples in deserts used to get their water from well. And seventh house is other is in Hindi they call Rahu in Hindi, and there is other is south node. This is meaning Zanab, Arabic. Tail of dragon, trail of snake, bottom of whale, and in Hindi they says Ketu. This is making shadow problems. Now suppose you think that this is snake. House is 12. House is 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now suppose this is Aries, this is Taurus, and this is Gemini, this is Cancer, this is Leo, this is Virgo, this is Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius, and Pisces. These are 12 houses. Their numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now, North Node Dragon Head is here in Gemini. All the stars which travels here from here to here will be face their period of blockings. Suppose if moon moon faces 72.5 days, one zodiacal sign. And now you will see there is 7 houses, that 14 plus 7, 21 blocking days. If here comes Mercury's period is about 1 month, and it also facing to 7 months, about 7 months. And such a way Saturn comes, it is 2.5 years in one house. Then you can say 21 years. And so other problems also, according to the zodiacal signs, people's facing according to their stars, according to their zodiacal signs. Nowadays, this is here the zodiacal signs which are facing blocking boundings: Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius. These 7 zodiacal signs facing natural phenomenon, blocking or boundedness, in facing problems in different shapes. This is called in Hindi Rahu, and this is called Ketu. You see that there is letter Gemini. Gemini letter in Arabic Kaf, K, Q. These pronunciations, the cities, the peoples, the countries are facing more problems, such as Kashmir, and locked by Indian government. You see that COVID-19 locked the world, and other cities such as Kabul, such as Kunduz, Carmenia, these letter these names starts with Kaf, Ka, Q, and faced natural boundaries and destructions in this period. In same way, the peoples who have the letters of K and Q starts with Q and K faces problems Q and K. Calf and calf. They faces problems according to the zodiacal signs of Rahu and Ketu. And there is also in the remedies of these things according to astrology. If anyone do remedies, do sadhaka, and if anyone do sadhaka, he will free from these natural blockings. No one can move the stars, no one can move the houses, but you can do a precaution and save yourself from the hardness of time, from the hardness of the astrological points, such as if anyone facing problem of heat, he will goes to water, he will goes to shadow, he will goes to air condition. It is according to their to his financial capacity. Thank you.